Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download Python, how you can install Python, and how you can run your first Python program. So you can start your Python programming journey. Okay, the first thing you have to do is open any web browser. I will open Chrome web browser. Then you have to type python.org. This is the official website of Python. When the website fully loads, you have to click download. This will show up, and as you can see here, by clicking here download Python 3.97, you will download the latest version which is available for Windows. And if you want to download, if you're on another operating system such as Mac OS or Linux, you can click here for Mac OS or click here for Linux. I am on Windows, so I will click here download Python 3.97. So I will start the download. As you can see, the download process has started. When the download is completed, I will open the software. So as you can see, this is the installer, Python installer. What I have to do is I will click here add Python 3.9 to path. What this will do is you can run Python commands from your terminal by clicking this checkbox. After that, we'll do install now. Wait for some minutes to install Python. So Python installation was successful. Now we have downloaded Python, and now we have also installed Python on our system. So now we want to run our simple Python program so we can test that our Python was installed successfully or not. What we'll do is type Python here, and this will come up. You have to open Python IDLE. This IDLE was installed from Python. So what we'll do is we'll create a new file, write x equals to 2, y equals to 3, and then we'll print x plus y. So when we run this, it will ask us to save this file. Okay, we'll press OK. We'll name it test or first, because this is our first program. Okay, we'll save it, and it will automatically run this file. You can see the output is 5. Hence we have completed our first Python program. This is very easy. So this concludes this video. Thank you for watching.